Welcome back to my channel. You're here with Kika Kathy. So today is our review day. I'm gonna review this Sabrina palette and also the matte lipstick. This is a new collection. I believe it was January. So I got my hands on it. So let's go and start. My left eye is different than my right eye kasi yung ginawa ko is isa sa mga nakalagay dito. So if you look, there's actually like spells on this right there. So those include like what colors you can put on that certain spell. So this right side is actually the glamour spell. And this side is my own. So I did that because I wanted to kind of try everything, a lot of the colors on this palette, and I want to see what it looks like. You know, for this one I kind of added something into it just because you're gonna see. There is 30 shades in here and 2 blush-ons and a highlighter. I only have one lipstick, but I swatched some of the lipstick that they have at the store at Ulta, so you should see the picture right now. The one that I actually picked is the Weird Sisters. I like it because of the nude. As you can see, it's right here. And then the dark one, you should be able to see it along in this video. It doesn't have a mirror, but I guess there's really like no space for a mirror since it's kind of everything. I wish there was also a bronzer since they kind of made this like a everything go-to palette.
Alright, time to start with the lipsticks and then we'll proceed to the palette try-ons.
Okay, so the first look that I'm gonna do is the one that says Glamour Spell Sort Glamour. So this is the Spellman, Midwinter, and Dark Princess. So right now I'm using the Midwinter, which is like a blue metallic. You can't really see it on the video. Unfortunately, it's not as it looks more gray than blue, but it is actually kind of a grayish blue at the same time because, like I said, it's a metallic. On this part now I am using this Spellman, which as you can see it's a little purple metallic as well. It's kind of hard to make a look out of this. I had a feeling it's not gonna be as good just because they're both metallic, and I kind of like the look where it's actually a matte plus metallic, but we'll see. As you can see, I'm actually tapping the Spellman on my eyelid because trying to put it on without tapping it first looking patchy. I kind of tweaked this look a little bit and added more color into it because it doesn't look right. So I was thinking a half cut crease just so maybe I can make that gold glitter pop on this look and make it a little bit better because it's a glitter with metallics without matte. Now I'm putting the Spellman, and then after that I will put the Dark Princess, which is the metallic gold. I think this look would have been wonderful if there was a matte along with this pick of colors that they did, but without it, it just sucked. I'm sorry, but the pigment is there. It's just mixing Midwinter to the Spellman is kind of hard, and even earlier I had to redo it. Like I said, So as I was looking at trying to finish this look, it looked like the dark princess was really pigmented. So what I did is I actually drag it a little bit farther than where I wanted to be at first, and did like a little bit of line on the eyelid. And then also I used the limbo, and then also I switched and add the Mortal's Delight, so I can make it a little darker on the edge. So this would have been the final look, but then that doesn't look as good as I want it to be. Now here is the part where I added the Mortal's Delight. I made it a lot more prettier. So what do you think on this look? This is like the final look for it. Okay, now so I popped in some fake lashes, and I'm putting the blush on, which is the color Peach. It calls Harvey, and that's the blush on I'm using on that side. It is very pigmented and a little powdery when it's on the brush, but it works. Alright, so now I'm gonna be using the highlight that came in the palette, and it's called Caliban. Alright, so this is the overall final look of the right side Glamour Spell Sword Glamour. Now we'll move on to the next side. Alright, next up, this is the second look, and this is the colors that I picked myself, which is the first one I really wanted to try is the Blood Earth. This is like a dark peach matte color. The second color I pick is the Hell on Earth. This is the matte dark red color. It's super pigmented. It's very, very pretty. Blending these two colors are very, very easy. So as you can see, I put the Hell on Earth and then kind of tap it on, and then later on I should be blending the Blood Earth again outside of the Hell on Earth. So just like I did on the other side, I'm also doing a half cut crease with this one. Now I'll be using Exorcism, so it's like a bronze metallic. This is really looking nice. So you should be seeing me blending more Hell on Earth on the side of the Exorcism to make it look like it's one color. This is definitely my favorite part, putting the Devil's Work. It is so pigmented and pretty. Alright, now to finish that off, putting back all the colors that I put on top of my eyelid to my lower lid. And then I will also pop some fake lashes on, and also an eyeliner on this side. So what I'm trying to do right now is actually putting the Class In Session like a line on my eyelid. Now to finish the look, I'm gonna use the NYX Scratch blush on. As you can see, this shows up more than the other side because this is pink and this is more of a darker pink. So since your girl is tan, yan morena. This is the final look for both. This is the other side, which is the Glamour Spell Sword Glamour. This is my own side, which is showing the colors. Ang katotohanan, the truth. Let's see. What do I think of this palette? I think this is really good for collection. If you like to collect, if you like the show Sabrina, this is really nice. I'm super bummed on this Devil's Work. This is so freaking amazing. As you can see on my eye, oh my god, the pigment on that orange is freaking good. So that's my favorite one on this palette, and also the Cunning. That's the one that I put on my inner eye corner. And then tapos madami siyang kulay. So there's a lot of colors. Pwedeng pang araw-araw, you can use it every day, a daily type of thing, or even a glamour look, you know, yung rarampa. And then, ang cute niya kasi, even the packaging is really cute. So that's why I was like, when I saw this, I was like, I gotta have that. I love the show Sabrina. So this is also like a collection for me. This is NYX. NYX is a drugstore. This is kind of, I don't say it's expensive, but I think this is $35. But it has 30 shades. So if you think about it, it's also $1 something each. So it's not even that expensive, and it comes with a blush, 2 blushes, and also a highlight. So like I said earlier, pwede siyang pang everyday because there's like a lot of mattes as well. But I mean, downside, when I tried this one, I don't think it's a good combination if you're not gonna put any mattes into it. But hey, you can probably try your own. It didn't come out on mine right. So what else? Also, the blushes are pigmented. I think the Harvey didn't show up a lot on my cheeks because morena. I'm tan, girl, as you can see. So I'm a little dark. So if you see the swatches as well, they're amazing. They're really, really good. I mean, there's not a lot of kick off, just a little bit, which I really don't mind. There's no fallout. The dark colors on this palette are very pigmented. So if you want to try this out, I recommend that you do a little bit goes a long way. For the lip cream duo, I think this is a collectible, I believe, for me. So I would say I think this is okay to get, but really this is actually a lot cheaper than the other lipsticks. Still affordable. It's good. Once it's set on your lips, it actually stays. When you put it on your lips, it's actually creamy, and then it dries down as matte. And so I like it. I actually recommend this one as well. But if you don't like the packaging, then you're fine. Anyway, as you can see, they're both good. Alright, I hope you liked the video review today, and if you do have more requests in the future, please do let me know in the comment section. Kahit pang Pilipinas yan, medyo mahirap lang kunin yung product, pero we'll make it work. That's it for me today. Kita-kits ulit sa susunod. I'll see you again next time. Salamat. Babush.